Hi, in front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. And by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, use this plus at the bottom left corner. And to add an audio file, click on Files. Now you can look for your file in Recent Files by hitting on Audio at the top. You can also click on one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those categories. Wherever you decided, after locating your file, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. In order to add a video one, choose Gallery section instead and tap on your video right away if it's recent. Then select Google Photos link or low quality video and tap on Add in the pop-up. You can also select Gallery section, tap on your video over here, pick one of those options, but this time click on Just Once or Always. Then click on Add at the top right corner. Lastly, you can click on Gallery, select Folders and look for your video file the same way as an audio one. Then hold it and click on Select. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!